Hey everyone, this is Dr. Chan with another episode of Urology Made Simple. During the COVID quarantine, I'm sure a lot of you picked up some new hobbies. I picked up brewing kombucha because it's tasty and has all these claims of health benefits. A patient asked me yesterday, will drinking kombucha prevent me from getting UTIs? I looked into it. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you what I learned. Stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to have my two boys show you in less than 2 minutes how you can start brewing your own kombucha at home. So what is kombucha exactly? It's fermented green or black tea rich in probiotics and vitamins. A probiotic is a microorganism that has healthful benefits when ingested. They can include yeast or bacteria. So how does it help women who get a lot of urinary tract infections? There's good bacteria and then there's bad bacteria. The good bacteria that's found in your vagina and in parts of your intestines is the lactobacilli. The bad bacteria is the coliform bacteria like E. coli. A healthy vagina is usually colonized with lactobacilli. And the place where most of the bacteria come from in the vagina is from the intestinal tract because it's so close to the anus. So one study that I wanted to highlight was this placebo-controlled randomized control trial that looked at 64 women. They received oral lactobacilli capsules for 60 days. At the end of that 60 days, they measured the amount of lactobacilli, yeast, and harmful bacteria present in the vagina. What they found was that the women taking these capsules had more of the good lactobacilli bacteria and less of the bad bacteria and yeast compared to the women who were just receiving these placebo capsules that had nothing in them. Now, take this with a grain of salt because nobody has actually studied whether kombucha specifically can prevent urinary tract infections. We can only extrapolate, but it appears that if you are taking oral probiotics, they do make their way into the vaginal flora. And by doing so, you can increase the good lactobacilli bacteria and reduce some of the bad coliform bacteria. Plus, it's better than taking lots of antibiotics. Well, next, you're going to hear from my two kids, Toby and Ethan, and they're going to show you how to brew your own kombucha at home.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to make kombucha for kids. So all you do is pour in some kombucha. But I'm good to do it, Daddy. I'm you. All of it. This sure is gonna be gross. There's the SCOBY. SCOBY? Okay. That's a whole SCOBY. Oh, don't be mine. Next we put on hot and a water band. Alright, we're ready to drink. Alright,
What do you think?